How to fix Roblox widescreen error while launching. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the Roblox widescreen error when launching the game. Follow these steps carefully. Click the search box on your desktop and type Roblox. Right click on Roblox player and select Open File Location. This will open the folder where Roblox is installed. Here, right click on Roblox player. Then select Properties. Then go to Compatibility section. Check the following options. Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Disable full screen optimization. And run this program as administrator. Then click Apply. Then click OK. Press the search box again and type Device Manager. Then open it. Here, expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphic card and select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for file drivers. Follow the prompt to install the latest driver if an update is available. Finally, restart your computer and launch Roblox again. The widescreen error should now be resolved. And that's it. That's how you can fix Roblox widescreen error. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below for more helpful guides.